Previously on, we made bridges for pennies.
Alright, I'm done.
Something.
Did you hear that? What the heck?
It's haunt.
He's back.
Science! Dance. Oh, yeah!
Got my cut.
Oh,
But that's what I was using for the bridge.
those are the ones that we...
Thank you.
You take that. All right, there's my cut. Need my bus fare to get home.
Is there a squish penny in there?
We are burning through our residuals today.
Well, good science,
Think about what to do with that money. But bank account, maybe savings. But just, a piece of advice before I go. Piece of advice. Is the bus still?
Who is that?
I'm not sure anymore.
Who is she?
So I've got a bridge now.
Okay, alright.
And we're just gonna...
You can start with that one.
Till it collapses, or do we want to do a coin amount?
Well, whoever's lasts the longest, obviously, when they don't break, we'll just do coin amount.
So you want to do like one? I do one, you do one.
Yeah, alright.
Two. Yeah.
You do one?
I'm gonna do...
Alright.
And that, kids, is how you win.
I thought I was being smart by getting a smaller coin.
Yep.
That plan.
I got the tiny one. What'd you get? Where's that from?
Singapore.
Cool. And that's worth this much.
Yep.
I'll be fair. The son of a gun. That's alright. I'm being fair. Alright, let's do coin amount. Oh, you had one? I had one. That's great. It's a tie.
Tie!
No, good.
The real science is the friendship we had along the way.
It's running thin.
Do you think we need to take this to like a currency converter and do you know what we should do? Arcade.
Invest in gold.
Do you know where we can find some?
I have a map
Oh!
where we can put all this money into I'd say it's a liquid asset, but it's actually hard, like a solid.
Like a solid gold?
Like a solid gold.
Hoo-wee!
Yeah.
Well, shoot.
Gold! Gold! Beautiful gold!
Alrighty, so we're gonna try one more time, because like all good science, you should try things three times. So this will be the final.
This will be the deciding one, like best 2 out of 3 kind of thing.
Yeah, exactly. Like rock, paper, scissors. We're gonna fold to make a bridge that's gonna go.
3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3,
Now I
4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 16, 16, 19.
Do you think this would be easier if editor Josh put a clock like here?
28, 29, 30!
I think that's it. I think I'm good.
ready to put my bridge on.
Yeah, I'm satisfied.
I don't know how I was gonna.
I don't know that I've ever seen a bridge that looks like any of the things we've made today.
Well,
So-
I don't. It's not gonna be a suspension bridge because I don't have anything to suspend it from.
I've got the macrame here. You wanted to borrow a strand, you could.
There we go.
Oh, nice.
It grips.
Very.
It grips.
Oh, wow. Like
Yeah.
yeah.
So if you wanna,
No.
What the heck?
We need this document by Monday. I can't have it today. I need it Monday. It's non-negotiable. Okay. We can't be. Oh, Mom, you dropped a few.
Oh,
Yeah, don't waste any money. You don't have a lot.
do you want a receipt?
Itemized, please, in my inbox by the end of the day.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sprinkles, monthly.
Oh, thank you.
The best. Okay.
Must be good luck.
Back to the video. I'll get
Came
back to
from
work.
carrots.
We don't need
Yeah.
to see each other. Okay. We're not even here. All right. I'm back.
All right.
Need a bigger table? Do I need a smaller table? Locks. I need new locks.
Yes. All right. So
All
I
right,
guess
so
I'm gonna-
one at a time?
Yeah.
Okay, you do one. There's a one.
Oh, the way it actually held. Not that I'm surprised, because I knew it was 2 out of 3 times it held, and I knew it was gonna help.
Let's both do a big one.
Okay. Really test her out.
Ding, 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 ding. Wow.
All right.
Iron sharpens iron, you know?
Yeah. Oh, 2 for 2.
I'm a little worried because it fell this way a little.
We can do a long
Oh,
flat
okay.
one.
Yeah, what do you got?
Survivor.
This is nowhere specific.
Because it's got an animal from where we live.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Good.
Caribou.
Yes, because you know how I love
Nome, Alaska.
dodging them
Yeah.
left and right because they're everywhere.
In Nome, Alaska.
They're the state bird.
I would say you could put a map.
If we put a map of Alaska,
No, so like Alaska, like you put it like over here's the Aleutian Islands.
Yeah.
I think Nome is
well,
like
over here is Russia too.
Do you need me to pull up a map of Alaska? I've got my laptop right here.
Yeah, actually, could you send it to editor Josh? Because this is a graphic he's gonna need. So we'll put Russia. It's editor at.
Yeah, Russia, and like here's the Aleutian Islands. And
Yeah, that's where they almost
Canada's
touch.
over here.
Yeah,
Right?
Canada. Below it,
It's America.
close is where, because Lincoln, Nebraska is somewhere over here.
Yeah.
And then he can put dots of all the places we're mentioning too in real time. So like if I go like boom, like Berlin's gonna be right here because that's just what he can do.
I could say Gary, Indiana.
Gary, Indiana. Or we could do Oregon.
Should we get back to bridge building?
No nonsense.
I'm gonna add.
Bolivia.
Let's do coin count. Let's do coin count. Let's see who wins. Let's see who wins.
What do you have? No, you
got?
go first.
I want
Yours is standing.
Okay.
One.
2. You see this? 3. I got 3 on this bad boy.
I had 1, 2.
As you all know, 3's higher than 2. Sprinkles takes this one home. Taking home the gold, or the copper, or the fool, or the like nickel, tin. I don't know what all these coins are covered in, but I'm taking them.
You know, the wheat pennies have a higher concentration of
Wheat.
copper
Copper.
than the older pennies. And that, kids, is how you can also make your bridge at home. Well, send us out of here.
Yeah, we'll get out of here. Look for the science all around you.
Oh gosh, these ceilings are so low. God, there's no good real estate anymore. Stuff I deal with.
I'm gonna raise her rent. We'll see you in the next experiment.
Yeah. Bye.